Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a real account on MetaTrader 4. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is download the MetaTrader 4 app on your iPhone and open it. Over here, when you open the app, you might see an option to open a demo account. If you don't see this option, then what you want to do is go to settings at the bottom of your screen. After that, click on Trade Accounts at the top, then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Over here, select Open a Real Account instead of the demo option. Then, choose your broker from the list or search for your broker using the search bar. After that, it will ask you to fill in your personal details. Over here, enter your phone number and email address in the required fields. Then, select your account type. For example, you can choose Forex. After that, choose your leverage and set your deposit amount according to your preference. Once everything is filled out, over here at the top, click on the Register button. Then, click on Done and your MetaTrader 4 Real account will be successfully created. Over here, you can see your new account displayed on the screen. So that's basically how you can open a real account on MetaTrader 4. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.